Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here for Market Respect. This is my last video for this week's trading. It's dollar Swissy. Quick overview and analysis. As I'm always saying, the picture never changes, so there are not sudden let's say sudden impression that I have changed my mind and now I'm in a big profit. I have been expected to dollar Swiss to go up to respect this support zone, which he did numerous times here. So here, as we spoke already, was a good entry point at 78.60 and enough space to the upside to move your stop to break even and even to catch and put some profits on the side and left the remaining part of the position at break even, which unfortunately broke down and closed at break even if you were in the position. So the overall trend was bearish, and that is what I always have in mind, so that we clearly see on the daily or the weekly time frame. But nevertheless, I was expecting a little bit more of the retracement to the upside. That didn't happen, and we broke this triangle to the downside. Think we have retraced a bit and then continued to go further south. I think I can delete all these targets because they are no longer valid, and delete all the stuff that is not now relevant for our trading idea and positioning. This is something that is relevant. So we can here clearly see that this triangle has been broken to the downside. I'm expecting now from this point of view I can draw a Fibonacci from last high to the last low, and I can see that the 6180 or 7860 is in line with the downtrend line on some bigger scale. So my idea is now to wait a pullback to this area, so somewhere around this area. I never say the exact number because you have to follow the market, you have to pay attention to the lower time frames, you have to be present, you have to be just adjustable and flexible. I cannot just tell you the number you enter here, because it might be the case that the order haven't been catched due to the spread or something. I always like to have in my chart in front of me and see where I will scale in. If I'm entering on the order, then I have to be sure that my stop is big enough to cover eventual spikes, but also small enough to have a good risk reward on this trade. So this is the area where I am looking to go short. It is now 3 confirmation within this area. The first one is the Fibonacci retracement level. The second one is the respecting of the downtrend line, which is respected since August the 3rd. And the last thing I can see here now is the break of this counter trend line, which supposed to go to the upside, but it haven't, and broke down, and now we should see a retracement back up. Sorry, to be quick, and then another move to the downside, to this our familiar Fibo extension levels of minus 27, minus 618, like the opposite of the 27.1 and 161.8 of Fibo extension. So this is the area where I'm going to searching for the short opportunity. It might be the case that the market will continue to go down without me, but you have to you need to follow your rules. Sometimes you're going to catch the move, sometimes you're going to miss the move, but now my stop is if I enter now into the market, my stop should be around above the 78.60, and it's too much regarding what I intend to be my reward. So this is not acceptable to me, and I will not consider entering now on these levels. Also, there's a weekend and a gap on the opening which might catch my stop unnecessary. So currently let's wrap these things up. I assumed that we will see some sort, after this consolidation, some sort of further up move, as not as a change of trend, but just as a more retracement to before continuing further down. That didn't happen, and the pair moved down and respected this trend line on the 4-hour, or maybe even it can be seen on the daily, yeah, also. So look how you will scale in on the short position. On a smaller time frame, maybe you can find some good entries with small risk and high reward, which then you take. Always just measure your risk, take into consideration the risk in the account management first, and then after you see how big your risk is, how much are you willing to lose here on this trade, then you decide where and when you will enter into position. So the profit on the other side will come when you properly follow the rules and follow the risk management. I know you heard it a million times, but I will tell it a million and one more time, because this is really the key thing to achieve consistency in trading or investing. If you're looking for something on the long run, that's all from my side regarding the dollar Swissy. My intention is over the weekend to make another long-term analysis, so we can, let's say, see how to position ourselves on the long run. If you're a position trader, if you're trying to catch larger moves, so there will be of course a larger stop but a larger profit targets. And if you're interested in my videos, and if you like it, support me, leave me a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to see more, or something what you would like not to see anymore, because I would like also to improve and to show you as much as possible how to be profitable on the markets. That's all from my side. uh, stay safe, stay healthy. Best regards from Croatia, Europe. Have a nice weekend, and catch you later. Probably I will make the videos on Saturday. If not, then on Monday morning. Uh, it's never late because I don't usually trade Mondays, and on Mondays we can the market will be indecisive, but we have our picture clean from the last week, and that will be also something that we will hold for the next week and see how the things are developing there. That's all from my side. That's it. Stay good, stay healthy, stay safe. Wish you all the best, and ciao.